Components of social casework. The nucleus of the casework event is this: a person with a problem comes to a place where a professional representative helps him by a given process. Social casework has 4 components. Number 1 is the person. The person is a client of a social agency, is like all the other persons we have ever known, but he is different too. But we find that with all his general likeness to other, he is unique as his thumbprint. The person's behavior has his purpose and meaning to gain satisfactions, to avoid or dissolve frustrations, and to maintain his balance in movement. Then the second process is the problem. The problem within the purview of social casework are those which vitally affect or are affected by a person's social functioning. Example, some unmet need of economic, medical, educational and recreational nature. The problem is of 2 kinds, that is intrapersonal and interpersonal. Intrapersonal is in mind or relating to internal aspects of a person, and interpersonal is between persons or something concerned or involving the relationship between people. Then the third process is the place. The place to which the person comes for help with his problems is known as a social agency. When it gives social work help, it is known as a social work agency. Every staff members in the agency speaks and acts for some part of the agency's function, and the caseworker represents the agency in its individualized problem solving help. The caseworker, while representing the agency, is first and foremost representative of his problem. There are 3 kinds of agencies. Number 1 is governmental agency, number 2 is non-governmental agency, and number 3 is semi-governmental agency. So, the governmental agency is financially supported by the government, and the non-governmental agency are fully supported by the public donation, and the semi-governmental organizations are started by the people. Then the last process is the process. The casework process is essentially one of problem solving. When persons encounter a problem that defies their coping efforts or that requires for its solution some means that cannot common, that they turn to persons whose perspectives, expertise or resources may be of help.